I love this Drake video. Drake, why that thing so long?
Who the hell is that? Does he not realize it's a public library here?
Oh, hey kid, come over here for a second. Who else do you think I'm talking to, Mrs. Little?
I don't feel comfortable. Please, leave me alone.
Don't make me repeat myself. You are ticking my nerves, little. Have you ever seen the Drake video? The one where it goes boing, boing? Let's watch it now. Little, why are you taking your eyes off the video? Are you disinterested? How dare you, little?
This isn't okay at all. What you are doing is wrong. That Drake video should not belong in this library.
All that talking and you just missed the best part! The part where it goes doing boing, ting, boing. What the your problem?
I'm calling the cops. Drake is the worst rapper.
Take this, take that! Die, die, die!